Hey everybody, how's it going? So I went to Walmart, picked up some chemical guy stuff, and picked up a couple other items. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I picked up some chemical guy stuff. This was $24.97, 95, something like that. I ended up paying $23 for it, and I also had to go to a different store because I was looking for this bottle. It's in this container separately, which is this guy right here. Found it at another store, and I was actually wanting to pick up one of these bottles, but the store that I was originally at, that I picked this up at, they had one of these, but it was broken. The whole top of the plastic was broken. Went to another store and I ended up picking up these two and this one. So these two were the same. This is interior, exterior VRP vinyl rubber plastic protectant. Dry to the touch, repels dirt and water, long lasting protection. And I will demo this in another video. I wanted to put the demo in this particular video that we're talking on right now, but looks like I'm gonna actually have to go back to the store. And reason I'm gonna have to go back to the store is I picked up all this wine. My wife was with me. Picked up these two also. These are like 4 liters. Yeah, 4 liters. Sweet and burgundy. Never tried these before. From Garlo Rossi. So I figured we'd try those. My wife likes wine. Don't buy wine very often, but I usually buy this stuff, Liberty Creek stuff, like during our anniversary and stuff. My wife really likes it. I like the sweet red, and it looks like a specific bottle is missing. When I asked my wife to go back, there was 2 bottles that the label was coming off of. It looks like my wife grabbed 2 of the same bottle, and it was supposed to be 2 different bottles. So we grabbed Merlot, Founder's Red Blend, Pinot Grigio, Chardonnay, Sweet Red, Pinot Noir, and this one is new. I've never seen this one before. Cabernet Sauvignon, Folds of Honor Edition. I've never seen that one before. And well, here's another Pinot Grigio. It looks like, because there was 2 that had a peeling label. One was a Pinot Grigio and the other was a Moscato. So my receipt states that I bought Founder's Red, Merlot, Pinot Grigio, Chardonnay, Moscato, Cabernet Sauvignon, Pinot Noir, and Sweet Red. But there is no Moscato. So she grabbed 2 of the Pinot Grigios by mistake. So I'm gonna have to take one of these back. Probably have to take all of them back and say, hey, look, my receipt shows this. My wife went and I guess she grabbed the wrong one. And, you know, see if I can get the correct bottle, because I didn't purchase 2 Pinot Grigios. But we'll have to do the demonstrations on this stuff later. So this is a protectant. This is also a total interior cleaner and protectant. Dash, glass, navigation, and more. Dashboards, nav screens, leather, vinyl, glass. Clean places over 8 products with just 1 solution. Clean seats, dashboards, carpets, fabrics, metal, clear plastic, navigation screens, glass, windshields, door panels, wood, dashboard trim, and more. So I picked up an extra bottle of this. We'll do a demonstration on that. Figure I might do a demonstration, you know, I do a couple panels on with this, and then I'll do like a small panel with that and see if there's any difference. And then this box right here, the Diablo wheel cleaner I have used. It works very well. And I have another bottle of the citrus wash and gloss. It works well too. So I figured I'd pick this up. Comes with 5 items. You get the clip out. Comes with 5 items. Comes with 3 different bottles. Comes with a chamois, or a chenille wash mitt, whatever you want to call it. It's a type of chamois. So just pull everything out the box. We'll take a quick look at it. And it came with a hat too, which I thought was neat. That's the 5th item. So, box is empty. Premium Auto Detailing Supplies, Chemical Guys, Los Angeles, California, Passion, Tradition, and Lifestyle. And it is a clip hat, but hey, it's a nice little hat. So, this is the order that it's in the box. And the mitt. I like these mitts. They work very well. It's always nice to have another one. It's a bright green one, so it came in the box like that. And the hat was basically sitting like this. That's the way it was in the box. But, whoa, knocked the camera over. So, I like the Diablo wheel cleaner. It works very well. For all wheel types, it's 100% pH balanced. Removes brake dust and fast spot free. Great for tires and wheels. This stuff works extremely well. I would 100% recommend it. I haven't had any issue where you accidentally, if you leave this, some sprays you can leave on if you leave on too long. Like if you use steel wheel cleaner on like aluminum wheels, it will eat the aluminum. Some wheel cleaners will eat the clear coat and stuff like that. I have had no issues with this where I sprayed it on. I forgot about it. I started washing the vehicle and ended up rinsing this off like 15-20 minutes later, and it did not eat the clear coat or anything else. So this Diablo wheel cleaner is really good cleaner. This citrus wash and gloss, ultra premium citrus based hyper wash. This stuff is really good. It's super suds, just like the bottle says. Super slick washing experience, great citrus scent. And these do smell really, really good. It reminds me of like lemon cream pie is what it smells like to me. It also kind of similarly smells like the lemon jelly that they put inside specific donuts. That's what it smells like to me. And the total interior cleaner, I just showed it to you. It's also right here. So I ended up getting 2 bottles of those, and then 2 bottles of the VRP, vinyl rubber plastic. We'll have to do a separate video on these bottles for the interior and this guy right here. See if there's a specific difference. They're both protectants. Both of these bottles are protectants. This bottle is a cleaner and protectant, and this one is a protectant. And this bottle says, shake well, spread with foam or microfiber applicator pad, work into the surface, wipe excess if desired, reapply as needed. It doesn't say whether you can apply it on dirt or not. I would assume you can't. I'd assume you have to clean the area first. Or this one is a cleaner. Spray total interior cleaner and protectant on dirty surfaces. Wipe up dirt, grime, and contaminants with a microfiber towel for GPS, LCD, clear plastics, navigation screens, and electronics. mist product directly onto microfiber towel to avoid overspray, buff away streaks, or blot fabric. Dry with a separate clean microfiber towel. So this one does directly say you can use it on dirty surfaces. So, but just a quick video, guys. I will definitely be doing a separate video on the protectants. I can't remember if I bought this already. I might have, I don't remember. I'm pretty sure if I would have bought this already, I would have used it immediately. But it's just one of those things. It's a nice little kit. I definitely like the little wash mitt. And the hat is pretty nice. It's a flat brim hat. It's very well stitched, well made. The inside stitching says Chemical Guys all over it. Authorized apparel on the side. It's even got a Chemical Guys tag on the back. But, you know, that's it, guys. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and checking out the video. We'll do more videos on the Chemical Guy stuff. I got actually some 4x4 off-road cleaner too. That's some pretty nice cleaner. I'll do a video on that as soon as I get time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate you guys hanging out. Thank you to all the subscribers, non-subscribers, and everybody that used the affiliate links, the Acme Tools, Ohio Power Tools, at Amazon, and DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as the Ulsa Tools link down below. I do appreciate you guys when you use them. It does help me buy stuff like this for the channel. These I bought with my own money. The channel didn't pay for these, but there are some actual tools coming to the channel that the channel did pay for. So keep a lookout for some other Milwaukee tools, including 2 switch tanks, Milwaukee switch tanks. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace!